Hi guys, this is Damien. So we came to Swindon today. There is already a couple friends of mine behind me, but we have as well some guys playing football, so we don't want to interrupt them. So for now we're gonna just hang back and wait until they finish, and and then we're gonna send it. I've got my twin. I need to do another video about this twin without the shell, just to explain everything what's going on in my car. We have this MCD over here. That's a Losi, nice shorty. I didn't see a shorty in a long time. This is Dragon Hammer, yeah? Is it? No. What is it? Oh, it's Vector 5, okay. It's Vector 5. Really, really nice. Craig did a good job. That's nice as well. That is really nice. The Street Fighter cage, of course, for this one as well. Wow, 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 wow. Those are beautiful. And of course, oh, nice cage, nice cage, nice cage. Really nice basher cage. So this car, guys, do you remember the Bash Fest that was in what, August?
August, yeah.
Or was it in
August.
Yeah, it was August. Marcus nicked my raffle ticket.
Oh, right. He put, what is it inside?
80.
80, Taylor 80. I don't know if he's gonna get any grip with those tires, but unless he's gonna upgrade for those Taylor RC like here, you see the brand new tires from Taylor, guys, go and grab them because they're gonna run out soon. But Mike need to consider making those tires slightly wider. What do you think, Greg?
Yeah, and he's the 185/85, isn't he?
Yeah, that's it.
Bit more grip.
So when he won this one, the Street Fighter, the Vector 5, Craig said to himself that he needs to get himself one as well. So he bought this one, the whole rig, and you put inside, what did you put inside?
46, got 46.
46, well, yeah, that's way enough. The 46 and 50 Taylor engines are really vicious, so yeah, that's well done enough. I'm gonna show you how those things are running in a second. Well, we have to wait for the guys to finish playing football. We don't want to piss anyone else. And yeah, this one I already saw how it's flying, so it's pretty cool. Greg have all the best toys. You know? Yeah, and there is a couple cars over there. You see the 71 Cavs. That's how it looks with the body. It looks so good. And of course, well, I know this cage, this roll cage from somewhere. Whoa. That is so good. If any of you want still the same cage like here on this car, Taylor RC, there's already 3 left, I think, from 50, I think. I sent it to Mike. 3 left. So hurry up. That sounds really nice. Wait, this is brand new engine?
Brand new, yeah.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah. Don't go crazy.
That's the problem,
you have to adjust the carburetor. What happened?
The ball snapped off, that's all. When they've obviously over-tightened
Oh,
it.
right. I've got those at home. So Kevin is fixing the car now. Because he broke a small little part that is connected to the carburetor. It's this part. He's fixing it now. So we're gonna. Very nice. Whoa! Stay fast. you guys for watching. See you next time. Send it!